English shortened dictation. If you want any dictation, comment. Definitely I will upload the video. Subscribe and support. This passage dictation was legal dictation, 100 words per minute. Start. In this case, the charges were framed even before temporary promotion order was issued. Order of deferment of promotion upheld. The principal question that arises for consideration is whether the appellants were entitled to refuse to relieve the respondent petitioner from the post of DSP and permit him to join in the promoted post of ADCP. The main ground on which the respondent petitioner was not relieved from the post was the issuance of the charge memo dated 22/6/2017. The factual position is largely undisputed. The crucial date was 1/4/2017 and the contesting parties agree that the charge memo dated 22/6/2017 was received in the office of the Deputy Inspector General of Police range on 13/6/2017 but was served on the respondent petitioner only on 7/7/2017. Therefore, the question arises as to whether the respondent petitioner could be denied the promotion on account of the aforesaid charge memo. It is clear that a pending enquiry at a pre-charge memo charge sheet stage is not a bar for the consideration of an employee for promotion. However, once charges are framed or a charge sheet is filled in a criminal case, the promotion of such persons is required to be deferred till such proceedings are concluded. Thus, the critical activity for triggering the disability to be considered for promotion is the framing of charges or filling of the charge sheet in a criminal case. Therefore, the next aspect to be considered is whether it is sufficient that charges are framed, or is it necessary that the charge memo charge sheet should be served on the delinquent employee. Towards this end, the law on this issue should be examined para 12 as stated in paragraph 11 supra as per subpara 1 of paragraph 2 of schedule level. Therefore, the promotion of an employee against whom there is a pre-charge memo, pre-charge sheet enquiry would be considered on merit, but if charges have been framed or a charge sheet filed, the promotion would be deferred. Indeed, it is expressly stipulated therein that in cases where specific charges have been framed or charge sheet has been filed in criminal case against a member of service, promotion or appointment of such member of service shall be deferred till such proceedings are concluded. From the above extract, it is evident that the critical event is the framing of charges or the filling of a charge sheet, as the case may be, and not the commencement of disciplinary proceedings. By contrast, in this case, the charges were framed on 22/6/2017 even before the temporary promotion order was issued, albeit there was a delay in communication. Therefore, although it is true that the crucial date was 1/4/2017 and as on that date the charge memo had not been prepared, the charge memo was admittedly prepared before the temporary promotion order was issued as stated early. Once charges were framed by finalizing the charge memo, subpara 1 of paragraph 2 of schedule level of the Conditions of Service Act get activated. Therefore, in the present statutory context, the fact that the disciplinary proceedings against the respondent commenced only upon service of the charge memo as per the ratio in does not lead to the interference that the respondent in entitled to promotion notwithstanding the charge memo. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video.